Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete old posts on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top panel. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. This is where you manage all your Facebook activity, including posts, tags, and more. Tap on Public Posts to view your posting history. Then tap on Your Posts, Photos, and Videos. To delete old Facebook posts permanently, tap on Recycle Bin. Here you can view all the posts that you've previously moved to the recycle bin. Select the posts you want to delete permanently. Tap the three dots in the bottom right corner, then tap Delete. Tap Delete again to confirm. Your old Facebook posts are now permanently deleted. Keep in mind that once you delete posts from the recycle bin, they cannot be recovered. If you just want to hide posts instead of deleting them, you can move them to archive or adjust the privacy settings to limit who can see them. And that's how you delete old posts on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching.